here for Sunday breaking news etremo say security agencies be akọ Alajo hospital be a friend Citadel Hospital our musu say nkrofo bi manufacture guns etuo and the bombs ewo ho Anthony Alberto has to subscribe and click the notification bell no and no and that screen so see now Endra breaking news are abai Edibeto Ghana for near him say wo ma ye ko chi omo say wo mo manufacture etuo and the bombs ewo eye Alajo ho no say no ma ye omo adwen say wo mo betu president efiade so from the time information minister Edis Hansen Ebetu Jano a lot of people have reacted to this. I've seen some people trolling and I've seen some people taking this matter very, very seriously. Obviously, it depends on the political side you are on. Not just say, womo MPP no, womo per se, womo edition crofobia. Now, womo ka say, hey, crofobia, womo ka say, we besi intia. Womo NDC so at the yas and say, pictures are you and go for some pictures are you said be a 20 nyama womo kitano. Sa nyama no said e kra into me nkuomo nanka waka say what the ekoye coup d'etat into na nkrofo esusu say information minister what dey betu anim no na wo pese wo ye na wo pese wo dey to Ghana fo anim ema public sympathy keke eba na etiefo nkrofo na ya chi omo atum wo mo a ya arrest omo enya doctor na your friend Macpam ene Imran Jimmy no wo mo kan ho a ya arrest omo say wo mo na sebe womo planning coup d'etat no omo lawyer babonten abekasa na womo lawyer the interesting matters abetudwa de omo lawyer esie ene say enkrofo no yes eye ne kre police for ebehu etuo ewo hospital ho munti asema lawyer na kan ye wasi police for ebehu etuo ewo hospital ho but ne client no eye enkrofo 3 na ya bechi omo no womu claim say they know nothing about etuo no womu susu say a setup womu nimhwe efe etuo no womu de womu wo ho an say police abechi omo say hey etuo wa ha ena ne police for kwatro omo say etuo no e wa ha but they know nothing and the machine information minister de betu onim say sa machine no eye machine asabe nkrofo we ekrafi abonten and ekrafi abroche e ba Ghana womo dey manufacture bomb no womo lawyer yes machine no x-ray machine bi asay because hospital no intino x-ray machine asay ama ye dey akoto abonten intino womo nti ase say information minister dey abeto abonten say x-ray machine asay no wo say sa x-ray machine no eno na nkrofo we womo dey produce bombs and guns and then some womo lawyer what dey abeto abonten etiefo very interesting the whole day, the time posting on this matter, they say I've been hearing from a lot of people. Information minister upon Nkrumah, Walker say nkrofo omo plan ku no, wo ma yeti ase say coup d'etat no enya nkrofo we pe eno mo ye o ma dwe say wo mo ye. Wo me asojafo bi a wo mo ye mpanyimfo e wo Ghana military mu e na say be wo mo hihye sa plans yi. Na bepia information minister Edibetu Udwa say enkrofo we wo mokọ ho have meeting no yesi ehon so na Ghana military for wo mokọ ekoye shooting practice munti asemi yo bepia information minister Edibetu Udwa say enkrofo we wo mokọ tenase wo ho na wo ma fam wo ma ye meeting say your plans no is far advanced na and they say no yesi ho na soldier said ye train omo for shooting na ho na eko train omo enti ebi mu susu say and the treasure nkofu we yankasa wo mo kwatena ho na wo mo try guns na a soldier no and now mo ti around wo mo hu anything wrong because wo mo be fi say a soldier na air training because normally ho na soldier training it's information minister Edibetu just nkofu we ekofa nkofu a wo mo de omo kwatena baby a soldier training no and na wo usu training sa nkofu no etro omo se na yetu etiefo ensem no na upon Nkrumah kojo upon Nkrumah information minister e dey abeto Ghana fo anim say asojafo a wo motan nkofo we echi say na nkofo mo be ye coup d'etat no say asojafo no yensa so mumu anopa we ya e na trese wode san ensem no e bae say asojafo one more time go for it because I said me by the here said there is no way if indeed it is true say Nkrofo we were planning coup d'etat then there is no way ever I bet me say Nkrofo we pe any plan obviously Nkrofo ekuku danfo bi ebeta omochi nti kojo appoint information minister de betu jasa soldier for bi eta omochi wode abetu Ghana fo nim say sa asoldier fo no ya chi omo etiefo na me pesa me bubo asoldier fo ni din ebi etchemo but Nkrofo ni din no doctor na your friend Dr. Frederick Yao McPam and the two other accomplices no Mr. Ezo Kafui won no ni susu say yakofan ni fi Alavanyo say won be yetuo no e wa alajo and Mr. Bright Alan Debra Ofosu your friend BB and ADC ne sembra ne no na etiefo de one say won mo te be hospital na Citadel Hospital no won mo sia say sa papa we we doctor no won ni me plan na eyo mo wa say won say papa we plan ni cool because you obi a we very cool won you obi asre na yes Nkrofo we no want pressure group bia your friend wo mo tag your friend to take action Ghana or den wo mo ate sa group no it is our group no almost sensitize youth e dey send issue mo trim say inama say nkosu ye na say me dey ganjo no I've been monitoring this particular issue na security analysts be mostly security analysts amatu omonsem ni na de womo dey tuja ene say aban epre ne ho say wode asem no eba abonten abeka say Nkrofo we na womo plan coup d'etat. I've heard from I think 5 security analysts womu ni na nsema womo kan no say abaya pre no ho papa obi be bisa say adan na abaya pre no ho de Nkrofo and security analysts no can say who share weapons are chasing Nkrofo we wa those weapons are not weapons you can use to overtake a government, especially not in a nation like Ghana, because Uko Jubilee House are seriously guarded. Inti aban de betu enim se Nkrofo we coup d'etat no na get say aban to nebo because aban de wu ye obi a ye kan custodian of the law who na say wo hwe law ne so na what the prejudice and what aban ye prejudicial e de abetu Nkrofo we so embra court kra enkan say Nkrofo we no mo trimupo eni and then sama security analyst be pray e de abetuja na former colonel na we wo Ghana army mu your friend no Colonel retired Festus Abuache one also dey sama betuja na was he has strong doubt that the weapons seized by the security agencies in the alleged coup plot can be used to overthrow a Akufo-Addo government as they are woefully insufficient. Not as they work and say we no pictures away who say Nkrofo we etu a wo mo ye any no o say da bi o pese we ye coup pan dia enye nyama we ne ediko ye coup na enakra ama Nkrofo bi ye challenge e wo social media wo mo frɛ no I think the coup d'etat challenge o say den na asresem Nkrofo de atre ene chese fork and knife no mo twitwa picture beto ho say coup d'etat no eni say the wa no pictures are na echo round no and then that screen so say etuo we ene say the second way and Nkrofo we wo mo plan say na Nkrofo overthrow president no into security analyst be pray so aban pre ne ho say what the babonten abesia say Nkrofo we o mo ye no coup into the for eno ne nsema eda oba me de I'm saying we should not trivialize this issue. A very serious issue. Ghana for say you're taking it serious. Even if they weren't planning for coup, it's here for it's one na womokita no e free hen, but they themselves they are denying any knowledge of these weapons. Now I don't know. I just don't know. But what they are yenche one more they are no air court. One of the court now assembly there it will take a very long time in court in him a court abagana near one yen sure say ansem no ebeko na yen sure be asem no ebeko akodu internet here for mo ntre mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo me da ase